Tiny dots, tiny A to Z song is a journey through life. We shatter a lesson to carry through strife. Sing it out loud, let it be known. From A to Z, how much we've grown. A is for adventure, the thrill of the unknown. B is for bravery, the seeds we have sown. C is for compassion that makes us all whole. D is for dreams, the desires of our soul. E is for energy that fuels our days. F is for friendship in so many ways. G is for growth in our minds and our hearts. H is for hope, where every journey starts. I is for imagination, where ideas take flight. J is for joy that makes everything bright. K is for kindness that we give and we share. L is for love that shows we care. M is for music, the universal sound. N is for nature, with beauty all around. O is for optimism that keeps us in stride. P is for peace with love as our guide. Q is for quest for knowledge and truth. R is for respect from the elder to the youth. S is for strength to face every test. T is for trust in the people we invest. U is for union, together we stand. V is for victory by our own hands. W is for wisdom learned through the years. X is for seeing all well